How is it that millionaires and billionaires pay less tax than the average worker? While most people hand over 20 to 30% of their income to the government, some of the world's wealthiest individuals pay almost nothing. And the craziest part? It's completely legal. In this video, we're diving into the exact methods used by the ultra-rich to legally reduce and sometimes eliminate their tax bills. These aren't secret codes or underground schemes. These are the same tools used by CEOs, investors, and billionaires like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Jeff Bezos. Let's break it down, step by step. When regular people need cash, they sell assets, maybe stocks, crypto, or even property. But the rich, they borrow against their assets instead. Imagine owning $10 million in stock. Instead of selling and paying capital gains tax, you borrow $5 million against it. You get the cash without triggering any taxes. Even better, the interest on that loan might be tax deductible. No sale, no tax. Just smarter strategy. Real estate isn't just about flipping houses or renting apartments. For the rich, it's a powerful tax shield. Here's how, even if a property gains value, the IRS lets owners claim depreciation, as if the property is losing value over time. These paper losses reduce their taxable income. They're making money on the property, but showing a loss on paper. It's one of the oldest legal tricks in the book. When you hear Cayman Islands or Monaco, think more than just luxury. These are tax havens, countries with low or zero income taxes. Wealthy individuals and corporations use shell companies and trusts to move profits offshore. It's legal. It's strategic. And in some cases, it saves them millions. The money still exists, just in places where the taxman can't reach it. This one's popular with entrepreneurs and investors. It's called a pass-through entity, like an LLC or S-Corp. Instead of paying corporate taxes and personal taxes, income passes through to the individual, often at a lower rate. They can also deduct tons of expenses, travel, meals, even part of their home office. If your life looks like a business on paper, you get taxed like a business. Many billionaires don't take salaries. Instead, they get stock options. Why? Because stock is taxed differently. They can defer taxes until they sell it, and when they do, they might only pay capital gains tax, which is lower than income tax. So, while you're paying 25 to 30% on your paycheck, they're paying 10 to 15% on millions in stock. And sometimes, nothing at all. This one might surprise you. Wealthy individuals create private foundations, then donate large sums of money to their own charities. This gives them massive tax deductions while still allowing them to control where the money goes. They avoid taxes and gain influence, all while looking generous. Smart? Yes. Strategic? Absolutely. Here's a loophole that gets passed down through generations. If a wealthy person holds onto an asset until death, their heirs inherit it at its current market value, not the original price. This is called a step-up in basis. It means all the capital gains, maybe millions, simply disappear. The tax bill, gone. This is how family wealth stays within families. Let's be real. The ultra-wealthy don't just use the tax system, they help shape it. Through lobbying, campaign contributions, and political influence, they help design tax laws that protect their wealth. Most loopholes exist for a reason, and that reason is often sitting in a boardroom, not a courtroom. They're not breaking the rules. They're making them. So, is it fair? Maybe not, but it's legal, and it's happening every single day. Most of us were never taught this in school. But understanding how the system works is the first step toward changing your relationship with money and maybe even using some of these strategies yourself. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, hit the like button and subscribe. We break down wealth, strategy, and financial systems every single week. No fluff. Want a part 2 on how regular people can apply some of these methods legally? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.